day class, if you still want to treat more questions on heat energy, look at the question on the board. JAMB 2006 question 13. We are told that the Thermos Flask is designed to A. Prevent heat loss or gain by conduction, convection, and radiation. Prevent heat loss by conduction and radiation. C. Store hot steel or water. D. Prevent heat gain by conduction, convection, and radiation. There are three modes of heat loss in a vacuum flask or called Thermos flask: convection, conduction, and radiation. In some of my last videos, I've explained the concept of convection, conduction, and radiation. You can go and watch that video. So the answer in this question is option A. The Thermos flask is designed to prevent heat loss or gain by conduction, convection, and radiation. This information is very vital. There are some students that are not within this information. Let's share it across to them as they be preparing for their JAMB class. See you in my next video. If you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, IKORODU, go there and subscribe so that when I drop new videos on physics, math, chemistry, you are the first person to watch that video. See you in my next video. Bye.